All Health Training is a leading healthcare training provider, specialising in healthcare education. Our aim is to provide professional, accredited and accessible training courses to suit all lifestyles and distance requirements, so your chance to boost your career or even change it is completely within your reach. We also work closely with organisations to support workforce development, offering tailored training solutions that build capability, improve retention, and meet the evolving needs of the healthcare sector. All Health Training has a team of highly experienced, qualified and industry-current educators, supported by a dedicated team providing customer service of the highest standards.
All trainers at All Health Training, they work in the industry that they train in.
That means they have hands-on experience in the skills and knowledge they provide to our students.
Our trainers are passionate about both industries. They're passionate about being trainers and they're passionate about the industry that they're training our students into.
We offer a range of nationally recognised training courses in Pathology Collection, individual support, both ageing and disability streams, health services assistance, and disability support. All Health Training has 2 state-of-the-art training campuses across Melbourne, Blackburn and Narre Warren.
At each of our locations, one of the things that we've really focused on is that all of our locations look and feel the same. It's a bright environment. We've invested really heavily in our equipment, and our simulated rooms, which have been endorsed by industry.
So we have environments where we can stop the class and actually go and practice what we've been discussing on any of our classes. And that is something that really stands out.
They are set up and designed exactly how they would be found out in industry. Once the student is out working, they're familiar and they're comfortable in that environment.
All Health Training supports you every step of the way, helping you complete your course with confidence and success.
I think one of our biggest point of differences is that we truly do believe in the student centricity model, which is that our students are a name, not a number.
We have limited class number sizes. The trainer has the opportunity to get around and spend some quality time with all of you.
Our students are job ready, so it's sort of a circular motion really, because of our simulated rooms and the way that we train and the passion of our trainers, which means that when they go on to placement, there's employment opportunities there as well often.
Placement's really important because it's your turn to shine, to put into practice what you've learnt, the skills and the knowledge throughout the course, and hopefully put your best foot forward and obtain employment.
The industry partnerships that we have, that is because of long-standing quality training and the relationships that we've built with industry.
All Health Training also offers a wide range of healthcare-related short courses, workshops, and professional development training designed to enhance skills and build knowledge.
I am a firm believer that education can change someone's life, and for us then being part of that journey with a student is immensely rewarding.
One of the things I find most rewarding is when I get the email 6 months down the track, 12 months down the track, to actually still hear from some of the students and all that they've gone out and achieved.
I achieved everything I came here to achieve, get a job and love it.
The feedback that you get from your trainers and the support you get from your trainers is exceptional.
Just do it. It's so rewarding, this job.
All Health Training, making you the future of healthcare.